Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to add money to your Wise account. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're just going to open the Wise application. Once you've opened, all you have to do is to select the account or the currency of the account that you like to add. And if you cannot see it, let's say when you've downloaded and you've registered and logged in, it is not detecting on which region you're from. All you have to do is to tap on open to open an account in which the currency in your country is the one that you'll be using. Once you've created one, all you have to do is to go back to this screen, and as you can see, just like this one, I have here an open account. And to add money, all you have to do is to tap on that account. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, you will be given multiple options, but the one we're looking for here is to add money here in our Wise account. So go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen in which you can now enter the amount that you'd like to add to your Wise account. Let's say I'll be adding 1,000 peso. Once you've typed it in, all you have to do is to select which method you'd like to pay in. And as you can see, it is showing a different currency. As for in Philippine, it is still not allowed to add money to our Wise account using our own currency. As for that feature is still not available. As you can see, when you tap on currency to pay in on the drop down, let's go ahead and tap it. You will see all the currencies that has a feature on adding money to your Wise account. But if you have this access in which you can add money using the same currency in your country, you won't have this problem. And as you can see, once you typed it in, the fees will be shown and it is automatically converted if you're using a different currency to pay in. You will also see the total of the payment that you'll be doing to add money to your Wise account. And once done, all you have to do is to tap on continue. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, you can choose on how you want to pay. You can choose a debit card, credit card. For low-cost transfers, you can also use manual bank transfer, simple bank transfer. And for advanced transfer, they have the sweep transfer here. It is also shown on how much you'll be paying for the fee in transferring money to your Wise account. It is indicated right next to the category that you'd like to choose. All you have to do is to choose whichever mode of payment you'll be doing. And once you've entered and selected, you will be asked for verification in which the details of the transfer will be shown. All you have to do is to confirm it and money transfer will be processed. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.